YouTube channel. Before I get into this YouTube channel, I just want to give you guys a shout out. I appreciate y'all for liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting on my videos. You guys helped me out to 150 subscribers, so I really appreciate y'all for that. And today, this video is going to be something new. I'm going to be doing a makeup video, but I won't be talking as much because it's hot and I don't want you guys to hear my fan playing. So, yeah, my fan's spinning. So, yeah, it's going to be a voiceover. I think I'll just do an eyeshadow video because it's too hot for all that stuff. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys feel about this look that I'm about to pull off. Hopefully it comes out good. Let's get into the video. First, I'll be using Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Snap Shadows. It's called Come and Get It. I'm using that eyeshadow. I'm gonna dab some of it on the brush and then put it on my eyelids. I'm gonna buff it out. I'm only gonna show you guys one eye that I did on camera. And yeah, I'm not a beauty guru or MU or anything, but this is my way of doing makeup. Next, I'll be using Zulu for One of the Greatest, the mini Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. I love this so much, you guys. Like, their eyeshadows are very pigmented. Y'all, the heat was getting to me. It really was. Now I'm just gonna conceal my eyelids with my concealer. I'm just waiting for it to dry a little. Next, I'll be using Cairo from the Mini Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. I like to use my e.l.f. concealer brush to add the shimmery part to my eyelids. Now I'm going to be using Casablanca for the outer part of my eyelids and mixing it with Tequila Night from Fenty Beauty. Now I'm just gonna buff it and blend it out some more with Come and Get It from Fenty Beauty. Next, I'll be using Kat Dawn B Tattoo Liner. I got it from Sephora. Well, actually, my mommy, she got it from Sephora and she gave it to me. It was a sample. And I like when the eyeliner just has the marker tip because it's easy for me to handle and it's not too wet. Anyways, you guys, I had a hard time doing this because I'm not 100% good at making wings. So I did one on camera, one off camera. Now I'm just gonna take my other concealing brush and I'm just gonna clean up around the eye wing. Gotta make it look crisp and sharp. Then I'll be using Mo Honey from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Killawat Freestyle Highlighter Duo. Finally, I completed my eyeshadow look. Now I'm just gonna add some lip gloss. And for my mascara, I'll be using the Maybelline Falsies Volume Express as my mascara. And I'm just gonna highlight my cheekbones. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. And I really appreciate y'all for helping me get to 150 subscribers. Thanks, y'all. By the way, I'm so sorry for dropping this video really late. I got a bit busy with school and work, but I'm gonna keep posting. I'm gonna try to keep posting on the regular. So I'll be dropping the next video soon. Maybe soon. But thanks for watching, you guys.